Well, howdy, folks, and welcome to 2021 Year in Review. I'd like to thank you for joining us. We're going to explore where this year started, where this year ended up, go through all the details in this video. So join us, shall y'all? So we ring in the new year of 2021 in Galveston, Texas, down on the beach, having a fantastic time, trying to get that horrible year of 2020 out of our minds. So we did pick up quite a few new subscribers over the course of this year, so if you did not see any of these videos, this year in review will be going in chronological order. Go back through the videos and check them out. There's some fantastic gold in some of these videos, so yeah, check them out. I've seen disembodied heads before, but this is a beheaded body. So, returning from Galveston, we came back and continued working on the land, cleaning it up and building roads so we could get our RV actually on the land. Well, folks, we're back up at the farm here, and man, it's been cold and rainy. It's probably a decent day, but it's supposed to snow tomorrow. It's about 30 degrees. I know it doesn't look like it, but it's very cold out here. Luckily in the barn here, I got some windbreak. But yeah, I chopped up some firewood and trying to clean up and get the trailer up to this part here. The next goal. So at the time of this filming, we are now into late January, and at this point right here is where I realize I have COVID. I can't taste shit. I had vinegar, I had pesto, I had olive oil, and I can't taste a damn thing. And actually in this video clip right here where I'm doing the Vegemite, I actually refer to that as a good time to try Vegemite is when you have the COVID. That way you can't taste how strong the mineral taste is in the Vegemite. Now if you're into like dark beers and all, this is an excellent product. And it tastes like malted fermented barley, and it's delicious, but some people, it's a love-hate thing with Vegemite for sure. So now we are into February, and I had rented an RV place, a lot, for those first 3 months we were working on the land, relatively close by our land. And this was the first day I finally got the road enough where I could get the RV actually on our property, and it was awesome to actually finally be on the property. Hey, it's me. My big ear. Oh my God. Another glorious day was the first event I'd done since the shutdown, so that was awesome. And then a lot of damn snow, defrozen, ERCOT, winter Texas snowstorm happened, and wow, everything shut down. Oh shit, got me. Ooh, that's cold. Mrs. Chef, I think this snowbird needs something to smoke on. Give him a blunt or something. There we go. A peace pipe.
It's not gonna stay.
Oui, oui. You look kind of French, Mrs. Chef.
What are you gonna call him?
I don't know.
His eyebrow?
No, I'm still up under there.
Oh, okay.
Got some onion breath going on. Alright folks, by this time the deep freeze was coming to an end, and I actually did catch some ice a little further down the road, but we took off, and this was late February into early March, and New Orleans had canceled Mardi Gras, but not for me. Mardi Gras was still on, and I went down to my family's house in South Louisiana and celebrated, because that's what we do. And from there on down to Jefferson Island. So on Jefferson Island is Rip Van Winkle Gardens, and I strongly suggest you check this place out if you're ever in Louisiana. Just a little cruise down Decatur here. Some of my favorite areas right here. A lot of street performers and all normal times when there's not a pandemic going on. This is a cool area to hang out and just have a drink, listen to street performers. Remember when the old special when Alice in Chains was visiting New Orleans? It was pretty cool. They filmed a lot of that right here. So I said I wasn't gonna go to the normal places I go to. But we had to stop by Gambino's. If I'm in New Orleans, I gotta stop here. So let's do it.
Chef demands it.
Yeah, Mrs. Chef demands we go here, so I have no choice in the matter. But I like Gambino's myself. So we're here at the Gulfport Harbor. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So this is really cool. This is an old bridge. This is the old bridge that is abandoned now. It just kind of stops here at the end, not going all the way across. And there's a new bridge next to it, but you can come out here and fish. That's kind of a cool thing they did. They left this bridge for the fishermen.
That's the bridge we'll take to the next beach towns tomorrow.
Yep, that bridge goes across and on over to Alabama.
This is cool over here. What is this? Like a beach club. Did you get the fancy cheese?
Beach time. Oh yeah, where's the boars and cheese? Yeah, here it is right here. Fancy cheese.
Everything's in there.
You got Christini's.
Having a picnic.
Picnic on the beach.
Yay. Good stuff.
Beautiful white sand beach. Got some seagull looking at my crackers.
We gotta feed them some crackers. Aldi over here.
Yeah, then you have 5 of them over here and then 50 of them.
Alright. Here's some of this stuff, guys.
And looky who I run into here in Gulfport. This takes us to Dauphin Island. This is Captain Snapper's, and it was fantastic. There's a gorgeous view out the window. All right, what we got here, Miss Chef? What is this?
It's very good. It's crab bisque.
Crab bisque. Look at that. That looks good. Oh yeah, we have found our place. Carson's Grocery. Got all this good stuff. Hog head cheese. And time to say our goodbyes to Sister Chef as we cruise on down the road. So we get back in time. This is early March. We get back in time for Mrs. Chef's birthday and the generator we just bought doesn't work. Of course. And after the deep freeze, of course, it wasn't any available. So I went to Harbor Freight and grabbed one. Boy, that thing there. So what I'm gonna grill, I just finished it off with a little sea salt and some fresh ground black pepper, and we're ready for the grill here. I mean, damn, look at this shit.
To the world world's funniest weather.
So we packaged that one up and shipped it back for a replacement. That takes us to Uncertain, Texas, which was one heck of a fun trip. I really enjoyed this trip. And then the Crawfish Bowl.
Take me down to a paradise.
Cheers, everybody. This is fantastic. Even the cows approve. We are back in Garland at the Roach Feed and See. See what they got to offer.
And they're gonna get some chips.
This store's pretty cool, huh, Mrs. Chef? Old school. You know, I'm about to give up on baseball because it's become political, which, the hell's baseball gonna be political? Don't the NFL show y'all a lesson in becoming political? How it destroys your league? Anyway, I'm picking up cricket, and I got me a new used bat. And for some damn reason, ain't nobody want to play cricket with the chef. That's January, February, and March of 2021. Make sure you stay tuned as we get into the spring months coming up next. Don't want to miss it. Stay tuned.